So what you need to do is just open the Reddit app first. Just be on your app library and search for Reddit. As you can see, it's right there. Just go ahead and open it. And once you've done so, you just need to tap on your profile icon. So it's right there at the top right. Just go ahead and tap here. And once you've done so, you just need to scroll down till you find your settings right there. Just go ahead and tap here to access settings. And after you're there, you just need to tap on your account settings. So that is usually where your name is. So just go ahead and tap here. And once you've done so, you should find the option of manage emails or email notifications. You just need to tap on manage emails right there. And once you've done so, you just need to turn off the emails you don't want. So if you don't want admin notifications, then make sure you turn this off. If you don't want comments on your post, just toggle it off. Have complete control over what you can and cannot get. So in this way, you can successfully stop mails from Reddit. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.